Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering how to use OBS Studio for streaming, helping you set up your stream and go live with ease. If you're looking to start streaming, this guide is for you. 1. Download and install OBS Studio. The first step is to download and install OBS Studio from the official website. OBS is free and available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. After installation, open the program to get started with your streaming setup. 2. Configure OBS Studio settings. Before you start streaming, you'll need to configure your settings. Go to File, Settings, and adjust the following. Stream. Choose your streaming platform, Twitch, YouTube, etc., and enter your stream key. Output. Set your bitrate based on your internet speed. For most users, a bitrate of 3000, 6000 kbps should work fine. Video. Set the base, canvas, resolution, and output scaled resolution. A common setup is 1920 by 1080 for base resolution and 1280 by 720 for output if you want smoother performance. 3. Set up scenes and sources. In OBS, you use scenes to organize different layouts for your stream. For example, you might have one scene for gameplay, another for your webcam, and another for a starting soon screen. To add a scene, click the plus under the Scenes box. For each scene, you can add sources like display capture to show your screen, game capture to stream a specific game, video capture device to show your webcam, image for static images like your logo or overlay, text to add custom text overlays. Click the P under Sources to add these elements. 4. Customize your stream layout. Once you've added your sources, arrange them in the scene to create your desired layout. You can resize, crop, and move sources around to get the perfect view. Consider using overlays and alerts to give your stream a professional look. 5. Test your stream. Before going live, make sure everything is working properly. Click Start Recording to record a sample video and check your audio and video quality. You can adjust settings like audio levels found in the mixer section and test your stream's performance. 6. Start streaming. When you're ready to go live, simply click Start Streaming in OBS. You should now be broadcasting your content to your chosen streaming platform. Make sure to interact with your viewers by enabling chat and keeping an eye on your stream's health. OBS Studio is a powerful tool for creating high-quality streams. With the right settings and layout, you'll be ready to engage with your audience. Are you planning to stream soon? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tips. See you in the next one.